Alright, so this video, obviously, making my new welding setup. Picked up a sponsor. They've sponsored me twice now. I'm going to have a giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, a whole bunch of pictures, the whole setup over here, the metal area. So, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to stay to the end for the giveaway. Thank you.
Yeah, it's up off the ground, it's not the front reach. It's still portable when you need it. Hey, it's not really bro. Yeah, I got something for you.
What?
You don't need that on your own.
Listen.
Really? Don't take a picture of me to it. Kom maar, ik moet het over. Ik heb het ja, kost in de zin dat het net over. Ja,
Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, got some ideas. So, the workbench itself, I got it at the yard sale for 20 bucks. The top is a small heavy duty shelving I picked up from work that was in the scrap pile. Put one piece down, scabbed another piece on there, cleaned all the paint off of it. Other than that, it's an awesome little setup I got. I'm really enjoying it. It gives me a lot more storage area versus that big old 4x4 square tubing monster I had before. But obviously, as you can see, Empire Abrasives. This is the second time they sponsored me, so this time we're going to do a giveaway. Real quick, honestly, they're very, very good product, very reasonably priced. I also use their sanding belts for my belt grinder. One of my favorite items that they have is these little miniature flap discs, little 2-inch flap discs for die grinders. I use them in my little cordless one. These things will tear some stuff up, especially if you're working on something small, even a knife, or just put a bevel on something. or just want to clean something up, even in a using it on wood, they really work really good. So what do we got? Well, let me bring the camera, get a better look at it. Alright, so what we got for the giveaway, it's a variety pack that they sell on their website. Normally these are only 10 bucks a piece. I went ahead and I got 2 of them for a giveaway. I've only got technically 2 things to give away. So you've got a standard 80 grit flap disc, and you get a standard grinding wheel. There's a 60 grit flap disc XL, a lot more life to it. And you get 2 cutting wheels. Now in my forge video, I only used one of these. I think maybe 1.5 wheels through the whole video, and I did a lot of cutting on there. Their Blackhawk line for all their cutting abrasives is really great. I really enjoy using their products. Like I said before, they're very reasonable. And here's a better look at these little guys. I mean, I swear these things will just chew through material. They're just awesome. Okay. Alright, so that's about it. That wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Like I mentioned before, I've got 2 of the variety packs I'm going to give away through Empire Abrasives. Comment, share. As long as you leave a comment, that's the only way you're going to get entered into the drawing. But share it if you could. That helps out a lot. I'd like to thank you guys very much for watching. Also, I picked up the cordless angle grinder from Harbor Freight. Now, I'm not the best metal worker out there. I'm still a beginner, but I think I'll do a review on this. So far I'm pretty impressed with it. It's cutting pretty good, and I just have the basic small batteries on there. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.